Hey guys, today we're replacing and painting the siding and adding some trim. I started off by taking off the old skirting from the bottom of the house. Then I started taking off the siding, revealing some foam board insulation. The reason we're removing all the siding is because it would look like a patch job if we only added new siding where the door was. Typically you would use house wrap here, but I had some old ice and water shield that I decided to use instead. Instead of fumbling with a tape measure, I decided to use this Tack Life laser meter to get the overall distance. Here I'm cutting out a notch for the window using a multi-tool and a jigsaw. This specific siding is called double ogee siding, and it has a lap joint at the bottom. Once I got all the boards cut, it went fairly fast. I used a brad nailer to nail the siding to all the studs, checking level periodically. Whenever using waterproofing membrane, make sure you start at the bottom and overlap your joints. This allows for a waterproof seal. Now I'm using zip tape. This stuff is extremely sticky. A lot of people don't pay attention to this detail, but you want to add the bottom piece, then the sides, and then the top piece, and this creates a waterproof seal. I then added a drip edge and zip tape, followed by some more siding. I made a slanted windowsill with a drip groove on the bottom. This prevents the water from wrapping around the edge. I used this pneumatic caulk gun that I got on Amazon for about 30 bucks. It actually works really well, and I'll put the link in the description. I'm using OSI Quad Max caulk, and it works really well in the outdoor elements. After sanding, I used an exterior primer on the siding. Next I used Hardie trim. This is a trim made out of cement fibers. Then I filled in the gaps with spray foam so I didn't use more caulk than needed. Check out this before and after, and thanks for watching.